Hey, this is Mr. Gregory with Loco Suzuki Guitar, and I want to show you how to play Woodpecker Tap Tap on the ukulele. This also works on the guitar, but the pitch will sound a little bit lower. Okay, so first I want to make sure that you know which string is Do. Okay, so the third string is Do. Counting from the bottom, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, Do is the same as C, C. Okay, this is how I remember the ukulele strings, by the way. Alligators eat crazy gorillas. Try to remember that. Alligators eat crazy gorillas. Okay, so I want to make sure you know where Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So is on the ukulele. Okay, so Do. Here's Re. Just like on a piano, right after Do is Re. Okay, or right after C is A, B, C, D. Okay, except on a piano or glockenspiel, we do skip the black key, which would be C sharp. Okay, so Do, Re. I try not to squeeze like that. I keep it like this. Okay, use my fingertip. So the next string, that would be string number 2. 1, 2 is Mi. Okay, so play Mi. Now Fa is on the same string as Mi. It's right after it, just like Do, Re, Mi, Fa. Do, Re, Mi, Fa. Okay. Sound like a song? Okay, so we have Do, Re, Mi, Fa. Now So, I like to play So on the same string as Mi, Fa, So. So, but you could do the easier one on the top string is actually So as well. Okay, so Do, Re, Mi, Fa, easy So, or the challenging So. So Woodpecker Tap Tap is just Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So with the rhythm Woodpecker Tap, Tap, plum, apple, plum, plum. So let's try it, okay? Now, even though we're starting on Do, get your finger ready for Re. We always have to be ready for the next note, okay? So here we go. Do and then Re. 1, 2, ready, and Woodpecker tap, tap. Now squeeze Re. Re, Re, Re. Now the next string down is Mi. Ready, go. Mi, 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 mi. Now I'm pressing down on the same string as Mi, and it magically changes it to Fa, 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 Fa. And now for So, you can do the hard So or the easy So. Ready, So, 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 So. I just played both. You don't have to try to do that, okay? So after that, the woodpecker goes down like this. Looking for a bug, yum. That is just So or So, Fa. Mi is the same string. Switch to Re. I skipped that note and I went to the second line. Re, Do. So maybe you need to stop there and rewind and watch this, or just practice by yourself for a minute. But if you're ready to play along with the whole song without stopping, now you can try to join me. So I don't care which So you do, this one or this one. The hardest part of this song, I think, would be So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, yum. And if you know how to do a C chord, you can do that at the end. Looking for a bug, yum. Kind of fun. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, ready, and Do, 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 Do. Next, Re, Re, Re. Next string, Mi, 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 Mi. Now press with your first finger, Fa. Now So. So, 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 Fa, Mi, Re, do, yum. All right, I hope you had fun. The only reason I can play ukulele pretty good, or guitar, is because I have played every day. Just like you're good at walking because you walk every day, you're good at talking because you talk every day. So I really think that you can do this if you try every day with this video or without the video, okay? Now, if you're having a hard time getting a beautiful sound, then maybe it's because your thumb is up here and you're using the soft part of your fingertip. So to get a beautiful sound, I use the pokey part of my fingertip, okay? So that means I put my thumb down and I call this the wormhole, okay? Right here, like a worm could fit in there. I don't crush the worm. So, and I use my fingertip like that, okay, instead of this. So let me know if you have any questions at suzukiguitar.org. I have some more information about lessons and music, and my students have concerts in the Charleston, Mount Pleasant area. Our website or Facebook or Instagram is LOWCO, L-O-W-C-O, Suzuki Guitar on Facebook, and we have a concert coming up on December 8th. Hope to see you.